Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to turn on a dark mode on your Google Chrome, or how to change to the dark mode on your Google Chrome, or how to make a dark theme on the Google Chrome. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. To change to the darker mode, or how to switch to the darker theme on the Google Chrome, it's simple. I'm just going to show in this video. So first of all, it's a short content. You just click on this customize this page option. Here you will see an option called light, dark and device. You just need to click on the dark mode, which actually turns everything actually dark. So actually you can see this color theme also changes to the lighter and also darker. If you just need a black dark mode, you just click on this option and just change to the theme color to different colors, and you can find the darker mode here. So this is the only way that you can just change to the darker mode. You just choose any darker theme color and that can make it a dark theme. So this is how you just change. Otherwise you just click on this three dots and click on the setting option. Here also you will choose a lighter and darker mode, which actually will appear on the setting while you just browsing. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.